Hello friends, this is Sandra here. I just wanted to show you something new that Canva just launched. It's the curved text tool and it's super easy to use. I just want to show you the basics here and then maybe I can do a more in-depth tutorial later on. But it's, as I said, super easy. You go to your text here and add some text. Hello, I'm Sandra and I love the curved text tool or something like that. You know, it's kind of silly, but you get it. You write something and I hate black, so change it to brown. That's my thing. Then you go back to text and then you go to effects here. And then you go to curve tool like this. And now you just slide this one. And your text is curving or in a circle. So you can do many designs and fun stuff with this. Like this, you can do so much fun. I just grouped the element and place, a circle with a graphic inside of it. You see, you can play around with this as much as you want. It's super easy, as you see. I hope you enjoyed the new curved text tool. See you soon. Bye bye.